Wala, atras na to lang, atras lang.
Sir, saan tayo yung complaint?
Sir, anong grupo kayo? Sir, anong grupo kayo? Sir, ano pong group niyo ulit? Sir, sorry, ano pong group ninyo?
We'll give the state after filing.
Sir, anong group kayo?
This is a group of priests, lawyers. This is a group of priests, religious, members of our national non-government organizations, and also a group of lawyers from Mindanao. Okay? We'll be giving another statement after filing this. Okay? Sige.
Sir, sandali lang. I-confirm ko lang sandali.
Specific name, sir, ng grupo.
Sir, may endorser na kayo?
Yes, we have an endorsement.
Sir, ilan?
Sino po?
Sino po, sir, yung
Congressman po.
At ilan siya?
Abordado and Colada?
It's Representative Cordado Jr. and Representative Culada of
What are the grounds cited, sir?
okay. So the ground cited in the impeachment complaints, we are citing